Based in Altham, Lancashire, First Tunnels manufacture and produce all polytunnels in-house at their dedicated production facility, featuring the latest state-of-the-art manufacturing technology and machinery to ensure a premium quality product is produced every time. An extensive range of materials and stock are stored on site, and every stage of the manufacturing process is managed in-house, from initial order onto metalwork and material preparation to packaging and final shipment to customers, guaranteeing the highest possible quality at the best possible price.